In today's video, we are going to share how to burn belly fat with just 1 tomato and carrot. Your belly fat will melt in 7 days without diet and exercises. To make this remedy, we will need 1 tomato. Cut the tomato into small slices. Tomatoes increase the rate of burning calories. The soluble fiber in tomatoes helps reduce your calorie intake by keeping you full for a longer time, which helps in losing weight quickly. Next we will need 1 carrot. Peel the carrot and cut it into small slices. Carrots are naturally low in calories and full of nutrients that can help your weight loss efforts and burn stubborn belly fat. Now we need a piece of ginger. Peel the ginger and cut it into small slices. Ginger can enhance calorie burn and reduce feelings of hunger, which helps in losing weight quickly. Now put the tomato slices in a blender. Add carrot and ginger slices into it. Then add a cup of water. Grind all the ingredients well in an electric mixer. Add 1 more cup of water to it and grind the ingredients well again. Now strain the mixture with a strainer. Before we go ahead with this incredible remedy, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Now we got a magical drink to burn belly fat fast. Pour this drink in a bottle and keep it in the fridge. You can prepare this drink a large quantity for 7 days. How to take this drink? Drink this 1 cup every day before breakfast. You must keep drinking it for 7 days. You will notice amazing results from the first 3 days itself. It will melt all the fat accumulated in your belly easily, and you will lose 7 kilograms in 7 days without any effort. You will have a flat tummy and a slim body within a week. If you are obese, drink this 2 cups a day and continue to drink it for a month. The time for results to appear varies from person to person, depending on how fast your body burns fat. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family.